It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get home to you, I find a thing that you do will make me feel alright. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight, yeah. Dear sir, oh madam, will you read my book? It took me years to write. Will you take a look? It's based on a novel by a man named Lear, and I need a job, so I wanna be a paperback writer. Paperback writer. Paperback writer. Paperback writer. I have to admit, it's getting better, a little better all the time. Yes, I admit, it's getting better, a little better since you've been mine. Getting so much better all the time. It's getting better all the time. It's getting better all the time.
I don't know how, nobody told you how to unfold your love. I don't know how someone controlled you. They bought and sold you.
And in the end, the love you take is equal to